Want to know how websites like Google, YouTube or your favorite blog get to the top of search results? Hey everyone, welcome back to IMS Coding. And in today's video, we are talking about something super important for anyone with a website. SEO or Search Engine Optimization. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what SEO is and how it helps website to rank higher on Google. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First off, what does even SEO mean? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a way to make sure your website shows up when someone searches for something online. For example, if you have a blog about cooking, SEO helps people find your blog when they type easy recipes into Google. But why does this matter? Well, most people don't look past the first page of search results. If your website isn't optimized, it will be harder for people to find you. SEO helps you reach the top, which means more traffic, more visitors, and even more business. So how does SEO actually work? It's like giving signals to search engines like Google, telling them your site is relevant to what people are searching for. SEO looks at things like keywords people type into search engines, your website's speed, mobile friendliness, and even the quality of your content. Here are a few quick tips to improve your SEO. First, use keywords in your titles and descriptions. Second, make sure your website loads fast. And third, create content that people find helpful and interesting. So that's it for this quick intro of SEO. There is a lot more to learn, but now you know the basics. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.